Newspaper collage turns everyday print into art, proving that headlines, texture, and torn edges can become powerful visual storytelling. Portrait collage works beautifully because newsprint adds history, while painted features restore personality and modern editorial elegance. City collage often borrows the logic of architecture, stacking headlines like buildings to turn information into skyline. The eye is powerful in collage because newspapers already suggest observation, memory, and the overwhelming speed of modern life. Sleeping faces surrounded by clippings show how collage can represent dreams as floating fragments of memory and thought. Flowers made from printed pages create a striking contrast, turning hard information into softness, beauty, and emotional symbolism. Fashion collage thrives on newspaper because both depend on surface, attitude, and carefully staged visual identity. Animal collage becomes more intense when text shapes the fur, because typography adds tension, movement, and layered character. Fragmented faces teach an important collage lesson: identity can be shown through pieces, not only through complete realism. Movement in collage often comes from torn edges, which naturally create energy that polished illustration sometimes loses. Bouquets made from headlines show how collage transforms ordinary paper into something poetic, intimate, and unexpectedly gentle. Objects like bicycles work well because circular forms and newspaper typography naturally support playful graphic construction. When flowers grow inside a silhouette, collage suggests that identity is built from memory, language, and inner imagination. Cats suit collage because their shape is simple, iconic, and strong enough to carry texture without losing clarity. Paper moons reveal a key collage principle: even fragile materials can create strong symbols when arranged with intention. Landscape collage proves that mountains and sky do not need realism; layering alone can create depth and atmosphere. Butterflies emerging from a profile show how collage can visualize thought, freedom, and transformation without explaining everything literally. Musician collages often work through rhythm, because repeated paper shapes can echo musical timing and improvisation. A coffee cup becomes more interesting in collage when steam is made from language, turning routine into concept. Wildlife collage feels luxurious when paper texture replaces fur, creating contrast between raw instinct and refined composition. Partially hidden faces teach viewers how collage uses concealment to create mystery, tension, and stronger emotional focus. Geometric collage is educational because it shows how newspaper can function as both texture and formal design material. Birds made from newsprint suggest motion beautifully, because torn edges feel lighter and less fixed than clean illustration. In piano collage, black and white paper naturally supports drama, structure, and the elegance of musical space. Trees are ideal collage subjects because branches resemble lines of text, splitting outward like stories growing in many directions. A newspaper dress demonstrates how collage connects fashion, print culture, and handmade craft in one image. Urban night scenes benefit from collage because layered paper already carries the grit and density of city life. Running animals show how torn text can create speed, turning fragmented paper into a convincing sense of motion. Split-face collage teaches that contrast is not only visual, it can express inner conflict, emotion, and identity. When flowers rise from an open newspaper, collage becomes a lesson in transformation. Information can become imagination. Editorial collage often relies on posture and negative space, letting fashion feel confident without overcrowding the composition. Strong animal faces work because collage amplifies gaze, using layered text to build both texture and intensity. Hats, coats, and accessories are excellent collage elements because fashion shapes organize paper fragments into readable silhouettes. Abstract circles and torn text show how collage can feel refined when rough material is balanced by elegant spacing. A typewriter exploding into butterflies captures collage perfectly: language, memory, and creativity all escaping the page at once. Dance collage succeeds when paper strips follow movement, proving that line and rhythm matter more than detail. Fox imagery works well in collage because cleverness and texture go together, especially when typography sharpens the expression. Covering one eye with flowers creates asymmetry, a useful collage technique for making portraits feel more alive. Boats and water suit collage because layered paper naturally mimics waves, maps, and shifting surfaces. Overlapping blocks and painted features remind us that collage can build a face through structure before realism. Sunflower collage teaches color economy. A few painted yellow accents can activate an entire monochrome composition. Owls are naturally graphic subjects, and collage enhances that by turning feathers into repeating paper patterns. A ballerina made from folded clippings shows how collage can combine delicacy with sharp graphic contrast. Maps and headlines belong together in collage because both organize space, direction, and the way we read the world. Long hair in collage becomes a design opportunity, allowing strips of text to guide movement across the page. Bold animals like tigers benefit from collage because aggression, elegance, and texture can all coexist in one surface. Hands releasing paper birds teach how collage can symbolize creativity itself, ideas leaving the material that formed them. Botanical collage works best when petals remain slightly imperfect, preserving the handmade warmth that gives paper art its charm. A suited figure with a headline-filled head suggests modern identity shaped by media, pressure, and public language. Rain scenes become especially atmospheric in collage because blurred reflections and layered paper already feel weathered and transient. Reading scenes are ideal for collage, since printed matter appears both as subject and as the material itself. Zebra stripes are almost naturally collaged, showing how certain patterns translate beautifully from paper into form. Stares into the sky demonstrate surreal collage at its best, impossible ideas made believable through familiar materials. Still life collage teaches restraint, balancing everyday objects with texture so the composition feels both rustic and contemporary. Glasses and thoughtful expression pair well with newsprint, reinforcing themes of intellect, reflection, and interpretation. Small birds like hummingbirds work in collage because fragile forms gain surprising energy from sharp torn edges. Umbrella scenes show how collage can dramatize weather, turning paper into rain, shadow, and movement all at once. Vertical strip compositions are useful for teaching structure, because collage becomes strongest when chaos is organized. Deer imagery brings elegance to collage, especially when antlers let branches and headlines merge into one design. Lips layered with flowers demonstrate how collage often connects fashion imagery with symbolic softness and desire. Old cameras suit collage because both photography and collage depend on framing, memory, and selective attention. A crescent moon made from paper shows how surreal collage makes dreams feel tactile and handmade. Leaves built from article pieces reveal how collage can turn rigid rectangles into natural, flowing forms. Wolves work well because collage gives them both wilderness and intelligence, built from shadow, print, and layered tension. Street cafe collage feels instantly cultural, using chairs, tables, and clippings to create atmosphere through suggestion rather than detail. Rectangular abstract collage is educational because it reveals how composition depends on hierarchy, spacing, and material contrast. Dual-face portraits show a core collage truth: identity is layered, edited, and never fully singular. Peacock forms allow collage to explore ornament, repetition, and color without losing elegance or clarity. Paper staircases are effective because collage often visualizes thought as architecture, built piece by piece from fragments. Wild horses remind us that collage can feel kinetic, especially when torn paper behaves like dust and motion. Perfume imagery works because collage easily borrows from fashion publishing, advertising, and luxury visual culture. Telephone wires and birds create a strong linear structure, helping collage balance poetry with urban realism. Arches and circles are timeless design tools, and newspaper collage makes them feel both ancient and editorial. Small animals like rabbits teach softness in collage, where gentle edges and pale textures matter more than complexity. Profile portraits remain popular because they simplify recognition, giving collage more room to experiment with texture. A gramophone made from newsprint connects old media to sound, reminding us that collage often celebrates cultural memory. Giraffes are visually ideal for collage because their long proportions and patterning lend themselves to stacked paper forms. Hands releasing stars show how collage can turn torn scraps into hope, imagination, and symbolic possibility. Interior collage feels sophisticated because newspapers give ordinary furniture and rooms a sense of lived history. When portraits, flowers, maps, and text combine, collage becomes a complete visual language rather than a single technique. Taken together, these works show that newspaper collage is more than recycled paper. It is design, storytelling, texture, and meaning reconstructed by hand.